Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best paints for RV cabinets on Amazon. RV cabinet paints offer a transformative way to update and customize interior spaces, providing a fresh and personalized look to your mobile living area. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte Interior Chalk Paint. This paint is a latex paint option, which makes it a great choice for painting pop-up camper cabinets. Latex paints tend to work well when repainting items coated either with old oil or latex paint. It is also worth noting that this aspect doesn't just make it a great choice for painting cabinets. This paint offers a bit of versatility as it can work on many interior surfaces, such as canvas, metal, wood, and ceramic. As a result, a person should find more than one way to touch up their lives using this paint. You should love that this product's known for its easy application as well. This aspect should make the painting process much easier than you might have expected. Many customers were shocked by how little prep was needed with this latex paint. The amount of coverage provided by this paint is another outstanding trait. You see, 1 quart of this paint can cover an area of 150 square feet. This amount is much more than a person usually will find with this type of product. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Latex Paint. It will provide everything you're looking for in a paint product with its water-based acrylic formula. This formula allows this paint to have a low odor, offer long-lasting protection, and resist chipping. These 3 qualities should ensure your RV cabinets remain in top shape for years to come. It's also worth noting that this product can work on a variety of indoor or outdoor projects. Any surface that includes wood, plaster, metal, masonry, or unglazed ceramic could benefit from its use. You should find its drying time of 30 minutes to be rather appealing as well. This aspect will ensure the painting process doesn't become more than a one-day event. It's a nice touch and makes the paint a much more convenient purchase than many other options on today's market. Number 3. Beyond Paint All-in-One Refinishing Paint. Beyond Paint's all-in-one refinishing paint might feature the easiest using process of any paint on our list. This product doesn't require sanding, priming, or stripping to ensure it sticks right onto your cabinets. It instead only needs a surface to be degrissed and cleaned before you roll on the paint. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, it is, and it's not the only great thing about this product. You also get the result you're looking for with only using 1 or 2 coats. Due to this, the entire painting process shouldn't take much time or create any hassles. The 400 square feet covered by a gallon of this paint isn't something you should overlook either. You'll be able to complete numerous tasks using this one can. It's a nice way to ensure you get the best bang for your buck. This product is another one that can work indoors or outdoors as well. Number 4. INSLX Cabinet Coat Paint. INSLX Cabinet Coat Paint is the perfect option for anyone who's refurbishing or refinishing RV cabinets. It'll cover your awful, rundown cabinets with a satin or semi-gloss finish, capable of restoring them into good shape. This finish is also resistant to many issues that cause numerous problems for cabinets. These nuisances include food stains, grease, water, chipping, and scuffing. As a result, it will provide a long-lasting finish, which will stay in top shape for years. This paint doesn't need a primer application before its use. This paint will stick onto hard-to-coat surfaces without much issue, which makes it a handy option. This paint isn't just meant for cabinets either. You could easily use it to touch up shelving, furniture, trim, and crown molding. There's no reason to believe that you won't find a few ways to use this excellent product. Number 5. Diamond Bright Paint White RV Cabinet Paint. Diamond Bright Paint White RV Cabinet Paint offers an excellent way to brighten any motorhome cabinets. Honestly, I couldn't believe the before and after painted pictures when using this option on my rig. It made everything else in my camper look better than ever, while offering a bit more style. As a result, I've been looking into ways to use this white paint for RV interior elsewhere. It won't be too difficult because it has shown remarkable results working in any kitchen or bathroom. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.